Title: From Chaos to Clarity. The Power of the Requirements Process in Software Development. Establishing a requirements process is a fundamental part of successful software development, yet it's surprising how many organizations still operate without one. This situation often arises from a lack of understanding about what a requirements process entails and how it could be beneficial. This article will dive deep into the issues that arise from not having a requirements process and how a project manager can work to overcome this. There are numerous software development organizations where a strict requirements process is not in place. This may stem from a myriad of reasons, ranging from a lack of exposure to such a process to a fear of stifling creativity and slowing down the programming process. This is often the case with teams comprising student engineers and computer scientists who are taught to develop software based on requirements specifications, but who may struggle to apply these concepts in the real world due to the aforementioned reasons. When a manager introduces a requirements process into an organization or a team that is not accustomed to it, resistance can be expected. Workers might complain to upper management, who often do not have a deep understanding of the programming process, thereby leading to potential derailment of the manager's efforts. This kind of reaction highlights a crucial aspect of management: the need for effective motivation and communication strategies. Introducing a requirements process involves motivating employees to see its value and providing them with the necessary skills to incorporate it into their work. This is part of a manager's responsibility. The process can be likened to how companies continuously invest in training programs and professional development to ensure their workforce stays abreast of new techniques and tools, thereby removing skill gaps. The manager must also counteract any biases, both cognitive and affective, that the team may have against the requirements process. These biases often stem from misinformation or misunderstanding, and can be addressed through education and open discussions. This can involve explaining the benefits of a requirements process and dispelling any misconceptions about its stifling creativity or increasing workload. Programmers often express concerns that the requirements process could limit their creativity or create additional work. However, managers must explain that requirements simply define the software's behavior and don't restrict how a programmer goes about implementing this behavior. Managers should also provide evidence that software developed without a requirements process can often lead to poor quality, messy code, and frequent revisions, which can drain more time and resources in the long run. In practice, having a requirements process in place can make a significant difference in the quality and efficiency of software development. It protects against last-minute changes, helps maintain high code quality, and reduces the need for repeated code revisions. The resulting software is more likely to satisfy stakeholder needs and is less prone to bugs and issues that could affect its performance. Moreover, the requirements process helps create a shared understanding and alignment within the team. When everyone works with the same set of requirements, there's less room for misunderstanding or misinterpretation. This reduces conflict within the team, improving overall team dynamics and productivity. In terms of conflict management, managers can strategically use the requirements process to manage opposing interests, reducing tension or escalating conflict. In fact, managers often find themselves negotiating between opposing interests, a skill that becomes especially important in high-stakes negotiations. A well-defined requirements process can provide a framework for these negotiations, aiding in conflict resolution. Despite the benefits, the challenge lies in convincing the team of the value of a requirements process. This can be seen as a high-performance team management task, requiring managers to exhibit competencies like charisma, inclusiveness, and adaptability. Managers must communicate effectively, addressing the team's concerns and biases, while promoting the long-term benefits of the requirements process. They must lead by example, demonstrating commitment to the process, and providing necessary training and support to help the team adapt. Organizations need to view the requirements process not as a restrictive measure, but as an investment into employees, similar to the way they invest in continuous worker competency analysis and professional development. In the long run, the requirements process can increase an organization's adaptability and capability, enabling them to better respond to market changes and advancements in software methodologies and frameworks. To conclude, the lack of requirements process in software development is a significant problem that affects code quality, team dynamics, and overall project success. However, by using effective motivation and management techniques, project managers can help their teams understand and embrace the requirements process, leading to improved software quality and more efficient project execution. The requirements process is not a hindrance to creativity or speed. Instead, it is a valuable tool that provides a clear roadmap for high-quality software development.